Hey guys, Justin Lindos with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today you're in for a treat. I'm on board one of my favorite all-time boats, the Aquila 47 Molokai, powered with the quad 400 V10s. We are in Boca Ciega Bay, and we're going to give you a full run-through on this boat. Enjoy. So a couple really cool features back here on the 47 Molokai, starting at the transom. I'm standing on board the dive ladder, which is probably one of the biggest dive ladders I've seen on any catamaran in this category. So really cool if you're gonna go do scuba diving or some free diving, or just coming out from the sandbar with the kids and the family. Very easy to get on and off the boat, utilizing this walk-through transom. So a lot of space. The rear cockpit of this boat is close to 15 feet wide, so we have a lot of space back here. You want to do tournament offshore fishing, or you just want to hang out and socialize with family and friends, there's all the space to do so. We have two massive 50-gallon live wells on either side of me, so you want to do that hardcore fishing, you've got it. You want to go even further and carry more bait, we have two in-floor 60-gallon live wells on both sides as well. Right here we have this beautiful release fighting rocket launcher. Great place to keep your tackle, keep your drinks, keep your terminal tackle right there. Very easy to navigate your fishing equipment. So really an offshore machine that you can do a little bit of everything. What I love the most is we have a dive door on both sides of this boat. Most boats out there only feature one door on one side. We have it on both sides. So scuba diving, big yellowfin tuna fishing, or if you pull up to a restaurant or a fuel dock, you don't have to decide on which side you want to dock the boat at. So really neat feature having these doors on both sides right over here. So I'll point out we do have some fold down transom seats right there, so you can comfortably seat 3 passengers on both sides. So really comfortable. If you're underway, you can certainly have 7-8 passengers just here in the rear cockpit, all nicely seated and super comfortable. Our rear mezzanine seating, as you can see, a lot of back support, very comfortable. You're in the shade, and just a beautiful view out there, especially looking at those 400 V10 Mercury engines, which I love. We do feature in the rear mezzanine, we do have a tackle prep station. You notice how easy that is to deploy. We have a cutting board right here, great place to get all your tackle when you're fishing, or if you're just making lunch and you're looking for a table to prep the snacks for the day. We do have another one this side. This will be for our tackle storage. Great place to access all your fishing gear. And beneath both of these seats, we do have insulated coolers as well. So you don't have to carry coolers on and off the boat, which is really neat. A lot of fishing rocket launchers, as you can see right there on both sides. And we do, this entire top structure, guys, is all carbon fiber reinforced. So if you want to ever add a tower, you can. We have a couple boats out there with towers, super lightweight and super strong. We do have steps to get up. Right now there is non-skid up there, so kids want to go up there and hang out or use it as a platform, they can have fun. So plenty rocket launchers throughout the boat and plenty rod holders. It's all Gemlux. All of our rod holders down the gunnel are all the best quality you're gonna get. We're utilizing Gemlux rod holders, Gemlux outriggers. They really, Aquila have made this boat one of a kind. And as we move forward, you'll understand why this boat sets itself apart from the rest. We haven't even got to one of the best features, in my opinion, on the 47 Molokai. So let's head on forward and show you what else she has to offer. So guys, as promised, this is amazing. You have 7 seats all looking forward on these beautiful release Helm seats. Every single one has air conditioning facing you. So on hot days, mid-June, July, you're in South Florida, how awesome is it to run to the fishing grounds or to your favorite boating spot, and everyone's air conditioned. It's pretty neat. So really cool. This is an upgrade. So having the release seats, we coming into the helm area right here, the captain gets to look at these 2 amazing 24-inch Raymarine screens, all integrated with the C-Zone, digital switching throughout the whole boat. This boat does have the onboard lithium package, which will run air conditioning and it will run all the systems on the boat. A couple of cool features. She does have a electric hooker system for the live wells. So you want to go do the tournament fishing, whether it's kingfishing, yellowfin tuna, billfish, you've got the live wells that you can adjust the flow. She does have the sea chest system back there. as well as incredible lighting package. This boat at nighttime is absolutely amazing. You got to see it to believe it. You can control all the lights, have them different colors in different zones, and probably the biggest feature on this boat that really sets itself apart is the cabin. There's not another catamaran out there, a fishing cat, that can offer the luxury and the comfort and the ability to overnight in an air-conditioned cabin. So let's get you on down there and show you what we have to offer. So let's take a peek at the cabin. We have a queen size bed with memory foam, plenty cabinet space, wireless charging for your cell phone, and a place where your TV will be mounted on that bulkhead right there. A lot of headroom. I'm 6'2" standing here, and there's plenty of room. Lots of natural light coming through these nice big skylights right there, with 2 little windows that you can vent if you want to get some natural airflow. So guys, heading up onto the bow of this 47 Molokai, look how much space you have. They utilize the beam all the way forward. You can lounge out. These lounges are unbelievably comfortable. 3 people sitting up on the bow, cruising at 50 miles an hour. It is absolutely a dream. We got additional comfortable lounge seating or sunbathe seating right there. If you are out tournament fishing and you really want the platform for throwing a cast net or throwing your lure, you can remove these cushions. You've got non-skid under there, as well as you have this massive platform up on the bow, which I absolutely love. We do a lot of sight fishing where we are in the Gulf, whether it's cobia or kingfish, who knows what else is out there biting. But look at this platform up here. There's no anchor windlass to be stumping your toes on, and it's so comfortable to be walking around, casting a net. Really, really cool. So one of the things that makes this boat unique as well is the range. I'll just tell you a little bit about, you can be cruising on this boat close to 50 miles an hour, let's say 46, 47 knots, and you're gonna have a range of just over 800 miles, which is pretty amazing. So where we are on the west coast of Florida, our fishing spots are far, but you can comfortably do a middle grounds trip, which is 140 miles one way. You can do a return trip and you got plenty fuel to spare. So that is one of the neat features on this 47 Molokai. You got the ability to overnight sleep in an air-conditioned cabin. You can entertain and cruise with your friends, or you can go do that hardcore fishing that the Molokai is known for. Last but not least, she does feature a really spacious head and shower. There's more than 6'2" headroom down there, as well as tackle storage. So really cool daytime use. You just pop open this door, you get easy stairs to get down and use the head. Or if you're overnighting, you just shuffle over off the bed and you got access into the head and shower. Hey guys, if you want to come down and check this amazing boat out in person, give me a shout. Justin Lindos with MarineMax St. Petersburg. You can get me on 239-770-7096. Thank you.